There. Okay, so 19, right? X squared y to the third plus 60 x y to the 3. Okay, so we start the same thing, GCF between 75 and 60. 15? Great. 17. How many x's in common? One. So just x, and then y. 3. So y to the third. Great. Okay. So same thing. Set it up the same way. Why? Because for the variables, right? I'm just showing you how many we have in common between the two. Okay. So you take a look over here and this one. You see that they both have x, but how many do they have in common? And my tip was you just take the smallest number. Okay, this is an invisible one. Between 1 and 2, how many do they have in common? 1. Just the 1. So that's why I only have x to the power 1. Okay. For the y's, I see that they both have y's, so I'm going to go look at the exponent. They both have the 3, right? So if it's the same, you just pull it over. Okay? It's the same one. Okay? So they have 3 y's in common. Okay? Okay, so you go repeat the process. I'm going to cheat. Okay, and then you gotta divide everything by your GCF, right? Yes. So divide everything by 15 x y cubed x y cubed. Okay. Yeah. You're recording us? Yeah. So 75 divided by 15. What is that? 5. Okay, x squared divided by x, what's left? 4. Just x. And then the y to the third and y to the third. Those, yeah, they're gone. Okay. 60 divided by 15. What did he just say? It's 5 or 4? 4. Okay, x divided by x. Okay, it's gone. And then the y cubed and y cubed? Gone. Okay. So you got 5x plus 4, yeah? So you're going to take that. Throw it inside the parentheses. And then this is your factored form right here. Okay? Okay, so double check your solutions. It should be that. I crossed out the y cubes. Okay, are we good? No. Yeah. You want 14 as well? Sure. Okay, can I go? Yeah. Okay, 14. I think this one slipped through, but 18 and 17. What? Do 17x. You want to do all of them? Yeah. All of them? No. I'll do one more after this one. Okay. So you guys decide, but like not right now. Okay, so like how many terms are there, or how many items do you guys see?
I see 2.
You only see 2?
Oh no, I see 3. That's only 2.
This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Okay.
That's prime.
Right. This is 3 things, right? Because they're all being separated by the plus.
And they all have 1.
Yeah. So you gotta go look, right? So do they all have x?
No. Yes.
No. Yes. So your GCF So your GCF, you start with the x, but how many do they all have in common? Just one, because you see this one only has one. It doesn't matter what this has. This one has 3, right? This one has 2, but the least is 1. So you only got 1. Okay? Do they all have y?
No.
No, so that is not a part of your GCF.
So it's just x?
So it's just x. Okay? You take it over and you divide again. Okay, this time you got to make sure you divide everything. So there's going to be 3 things being divided, right? Okay. X cubed divided by x. What is left?
2.
X squared and 2 of them. Okay. Anything to divide the y's?
No.
No, so you just drop it down. So y squared. Okay. The next one is x squared divided by x. Just x. Anything for the y's?
No.
So you drop down the y.
What problem is this one?
What is x divided by x? 1.
Nothing. Oh.
Okay, it is just 1. Like you say, nothing is 1. Okay.
So that's what it is?
Yep. So you throw this inside.
14.
Squared y squared plus xy plus 1. This is it. What was the last one you guys wanted? 17.
20. We just,
20. I didn't even assign 20.
17. I think 17.
17?
Or 18. 17 or 18.
Very similar.
16. Not 18.
It's usually 17. Okay, 17, they're similar. Okay, so 17, 30 x cubed y plus 35 x squared y cubed. Okay, GCF for this? 5. Do we agree it's 5? Yeah. Okay. What about the x's? How many do they have in common? 2 of them. And then for the y's? Just 1. Take the least, like right here, right? This one?
Or the smallest one.
Yeah, smallest one. Okay. So do it again. Squared y, parentheses. Okay, if you guys are getting the hang of it, this process, I don't think you need to do it anymore. But Tuesday. I wrote on the board.
Today we won.
Thanks for reminding me. I did write on the board, but you know. Okay, divide. 5x squared y. 5x squared y. Okay, what is 30 divided by 5? 6.
7.
For the other one? For 35 divided by 5? It's not 7? Over here. X cubed divided by x squared? Just one of them, right? It's just x. Okay, and y divided by y?
1.
That's 1, so you don't need to write anything. 35 divided by 5.
Why did I have to write 1 for 7?
Because there was nothing else. Like if I didn't have x or anything, I would write 1.
Oh, so,
Yeah, you see over here?
yeah,
'Cause
it's
there's-
like it's separated.
Yeah, no numbers are left over, right? So I will write 1.
So you have to like have it. Makes sense.
Okay, you get 7, right?
Yes.
X squared divided by x squared?
X out. Out.
And then y cubed divided y squared.
Yes.
There you go. Done. Yeah. You sure we're gonna start the lesson today? Okay.
Wait, that wasn't the lesson. Oh, that was the lesson.
That's how you know you were.
Edit that out, mistake.
Huh?
Edit that out.
Sadly, I can't.
Wait, they can hear?
Yeah.
But they can't see, right?
I'm gonna go.
No.
I'm gonna go and I'm gonna go show my mom and I'm gonna send her
Mister, why are you recording?
So you guys can refer to the video later if you get
Can't you
confused.
just mute it?
Miss.
That's too much work.
I can mute it for you.
No, it's okay. Is this okay? Any questions?
No.
Okay. Notebooks. So get your notebooks out. Get them out. What?
I wanna go to sleep. Wait, it's not nap time.
What if it was just 5?
I don't care.
Is that what you mean?
Calm down,
If it was just 5? Because there's X here and there's X right here.
Do it. Say it. Say it out loud again.
Yeah. Same thing with the Y's. Okay?
Say it again. Louder. Louder. I've had thought. I think we can hear what he's saying. Oh, I thought that was mine.
Okay, so this is continuing from yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there's 3 more, and then I'll give you homework, and then we're done.
What's the engineering?
Oh,
Seven what?
Still 7.5.
Homework today?
Yeah, we did. Yeah, the rest of the packet.
I already did it, Mr. Chow.
Did we do it? Is that homework?
Those were examples
I have
from.
to do it because I wasn't here.
So you're just trying to get out of work now?
No, it's just that I wasn't here, so that's kind of fair.
I mean, they're quick, no? They're fast. They should be fast.
Are you serious?
It take like 5
Are you
seconds.
serious?
It take 5 seconds. Okay, you guys ready?
Huh?
Almost ready?
Oh my god.
I would eat.
Almost ready, almost.
How can your notebooks close? What? Who?
I'm asking.
Still there?
What?
He lives on green.
I remember when I was the last time I did was the last one.
Mine's still for you. Mine's like, okay, get your I'm not laughing.
well, I'm laughing. I can't laugh.
You're not
It's
laughing.
just continuing. I don't think we'll do it.
Hurry, hurry.
Okay. I don't think so.
Okay, ready? I'll start.
But hello. They'll bring you a year later.
Hello.
Okay, so you're gonna look for the same things, right? Okay, but you know the stuff we've been dealing with? It's just 2 things. How many things do you have now? 3. They're just called terms, okay? So when you look for GCF, it has to be for all 3. Okay?
4.
4? What do you mean 4?
I mean 2.
2? So if we say GCF is 2, right? Does 2 go into 2?
Yes.
Does 2 go into 3?
No.
Okay, the moment you say no, then no more 2.
4.
Is there 4? Does 4 go into 2?
1.
So is this the same as
Just 1.
Your child? Is this the same as the
Yeah, but now you gotta deal with all 3 at the same time.
Wait, what? Can you explain that again?
Yes. So quiet, people.
Everyone shush, please.
Okay, so you see me? We're looking at the coefficient, right? The big number at the front. Okay. The same thing as how you were doing with 2 things. Okay. But now the GCF for the numbers has to apply to all 3. Okay, so you gotta look at 2, you gotta look at 3, you gotta look at 4. What's the GCF between all of those? It's just 1. So let's not write anything, okay? Because it's just 1. Okay, so you go down the line. You see X in every single thing?
Yes.
How many? At least 1.
What?
Like, how many do they all have in common? Just 1.
1, 2.
5.
What about the Y's?
You're not putting the number 1?
9 because I know when.
Sure. Well, we don't have to because we have X. Okay?
So could I put 1 and X?
Yes.
That will help my LC.
Okay, so you're gonna do the same thing? Yep, and then you divide everything by X. Okay, 2, you just drop down the 2, right? X divided by X.
None. Out. Kicked out.
Okay, Y
Kicked out.
drops down, plus 3 drops down. Your X cubed divided by X, what is that?
2.
X squared. And then Y gets brought down, minus 4. That's it, right? Okay, so
The only thing I'm confused about is the first part.
yeah, so let's take a look with something where it's not 1. Okay?
Is this gonna be on the test?
Yep.
Of course, you give us the hard one first, Mr. Child.
No. All bad. All bad.
Okay, so that's what you get. That's your factored form right there in yellow.
I don't allow this. I don't know.
Let's just move down.
Huh?
Just found out.
Can I go to the next one?
Thank you. No. No, keep it harder.
3 questions.
Song?
Answer the next question.
You want me to switch a
Here, I'll
song?
give it to you.
No, I like the song. I'm keeping this song.
I can't understand it right.
There's actually good today. You read it?
No.
You
messed me up.
Look.
Yeah, they heard you. The recording heard you.
Oh, she's trying to show her mom that too.
Okay.
That's actually so hard.
2. Try
Maybe
count.
if you paid attention, it says like
2.
Someone tell Andrea.
Okay, so Genesis says 2.
Go to the
I
pod.
understand the first
Go
part.
to the
Does
pod.
2 go into
Go to the
2?
pod.
Yeah.
And this 2.
Yes. No.
And 4?
Yes.
Okay, so 2 is GCF, okay?
Oh my god.
What about the X's? How many do they all have in common?
One.
Just 1, are you sure?
No.
Okay, wait. Do they all have X?
Yes.
Okay, so they at least have 1.
One.
Right? This one's
What?
2, this one's 1, this one's 1.
Oh no, it's 2. It's 2.
It's 2? This one has 2?
One.
And, oh no.
It's just 1.
How they all have Y?
They all have Y, but how many in common? Just 1.
Oh, because they don't have 2 on top.
And they all had to have 2 for you to be
So
able to put
what
2.
if they did have all 2 on top?
So for example, just look, okay, I'm gonna change it, but don't copy that. So if they all had 2, then they have Y
Then that
squared.
would be-
Then
2? Y
you
squared
have
2?
Y squared.
2, right?
Yes, 2. Okay,
Bah.
but they don't.
Easy.
So
Okay.
Also, X and Y is 1.
yes.
Andrea, you act like all of us get it right away. Who said something?
If I think my friends are watching, they'll probably say something. Yeah.
What? Wait, what?
He's gonna re-listen to this because he's gonna miss us.
Just try to listen to the recording.
Hmm.
I want to hear Lucas.
You can put this in the title. time capsule for us.
I know, we can all listen to it then.
Yeah, maybe I'll show it to you guys when you guys graduate or something.
That would be funny.
here when we graduate?
Maybe.
What do you mean,
He's
maybe?
quitting just because he graduated.
Okay, 2 divided by 2.
That's so much.
1. Do I need to put it? No, I don't. Okay. X squared divided by x. X. Y divided by y. Well, it's 1, but you know. Okay. 2 divided by 2 again. 1. X divided by x. 1. No, you don't. Unless you have nothing left.
It's just Y, it's just
Okay.
Y.
And then you have y.
And then
But you have y left, okay? Plus 4 divided by 2. 2.
4 divided?
Yeah. X divided by x.
Where did you get?
Y divided by y.
None.
Okay.
Easy.
That's all you got left, right?
Okay.
Okay. Last one is on you guys.
Huh? Hell no, I got my little piece off there.
You guys store too much stuff in library.
Yeah, you can
Cannot process.
Erase some old stuff.
Huh?
Erase some old stuff. Okay, you guys ready? Good? Okay. So this one, this is the last one. You guys try it.
I try.
Yeah.
I try. You give us that ABC. I try.
Why don't you make us try one like how we did?
I know, why is this
Just
one?
like the one I already did.
This is like the whole alphabet right here.
No, alphabet goes all the way to Z, you know?
Try to pick your phone. Your buddy if you don't.
Mister, I don't see a pulse.
I would be, you don't see it, but you mean you don't feel the pulse?
I don't feel a pulse.
You want to know?
Oh. Why are we calling each other eggs, guys?
Oh my God, you know what? Chow. Up front of me.
What? That's a bread.
What do you think? He lived there a month.
Let's not talk about that, okay? You guys have like 2 minutes left.
Chow, do you take Spanish? Is that how you know?
Wait, what do you say? What's up?
Chow, Spanish is first language. That's not his butt.
We don't need that kind of language in this
I'm
lab.
calling each other fruits. New words. You, what I tell you. Back to the front. What?
What? Huh? Do I go? I was supposed to go to another one like but it got shut down. Okay, sorry that you're not allowed to. Okay, and you did once. So might as well do it up to your food. Huh? Okay, are you gonna pay? That's only $5.
It's gonna be like this.
Listen, you dropped the book.
Like this.
I didn't even drop that. That's a
Yeah, you were shaking the chair.
Why is
I'll pick it up after Mr. Charles. But I'm like,
But 7 is the only thing.
Oh, 7 that's
How would you do this?
Oh wait, 7 A2 B2 C2.
Huh?
7 A2 B2. Wait, A2 B2 C2.
Kevin, let me
Why
find
is it
out.
the last one like 2?
what are you doing?
What's the smallest I can make?
I know.
We're gonna stop by.
Does, alright, think about it. Does this have, does this all have 2?
I
Does
didn't
this
even
one all
have
have 2?
it.
Does this one have 3? Fine. This one does not have 3. So it's just this one.
We're not even
You don't have that
doing
one.
it. What am I doing? There's a function here.
It's in yellow. This one has 2.
But I can't go to this one.
Neither
Get
of
up.
them.
I found this one.
See, mine is only 1 week to
T-minus, I've never.
So what?
Tonight, guys, tonight.
I didn't even know it.
Is it 2?
But
together.
the one in the middle was boring.
Go to church instead of this. He's holding
Are you gonna go?
to church?
Where?
I go to church every Sunday.
No, hold on. Let's go to church.
Ready?
Yeah.
Should I call on random people?
No, hold on, I'm not done. Oh, I can tell you the first one. Can I tell you the first one?
Sure.
780.
What is that?
780.
What is that?
Did you see that?
Good.
Easy.
Okay, who's next? Kevin?
Andrea's next. No, Kevin. Do Kevin. Kevin's next. Cause look, you're not even doing nothing.
I thought he's doing stuff.
What's next then? Is it really that bad?
No, nothing. That's
So we
all.
want to find.
What is the next step in my process?
Feel it.
David said you answered.
Okay, David.
I know. I know.
Okay.
2A, 2B, 2C. Easy.
Well, I gotta set it up first, right?
Well, I already set it up though.
Well, I didn't do it up here.
Andrea, do you see the homie police? Do you see you? Over here, right?
Oh, I don't understand the last
Your
one.
bitch list.
Is the last one? That's
It's
just for one, that's all?
it's not one.
So it's 180.
What's 21 divided by 7?
No, I know it's 3. But what else do I do?
That's it. It's just
Oh, I
3.
don't.
Alright, so
Oh,
this is all one.
Ernesto, divide the first one for me. 2.
How much sugar was green?
What do you say? A squared, B squared, C squared, plus. What's the next one?
It's 1,
1,
and then
A,
and then B, and then C.
B, C, minus 3,
Negative. That's it.
right?
Wait, you guys like this teacher? Wait, she knows you? Does she know you? I don't think so, right?
who?
Bro, I know this was like. Oh, you didn't see?
I think he knows that she turned around.
There you go.
But did she know that she heard you? You probably would have told him.
Did he say that he's already at church?
What time did you go
Oh,
at?
that's all.
Yeah. Any questions? We're okay?
And then sometimes
I either go to church at 8 or
I'm gonna take it we're okay.